So we're going to take a look. We were looking at the NotFound handler. And if you go to GoDoc and look at the NetHTTP package and just search it for NotFound, you'll notice that you scroll down through, there's the NotFound handler. But then up here we also have just func not found. And if we read about func not found says not found replies to the request with an HTTP 404 not found error. And so there's the not found handler, and we saw how to use that in the last video, and then there's also not found. And so then I'm going to add another example in here, and I'll just create a new folder, and we'll put this in directory 01. And so that's for everybody. This has already been recorded for a class. And looking for usages. I think I saw an update on that or something. I think we could just cancel that, search for references. Okay, move it, there we go. And then I'm going to copy this and put it in here and make it O2. And then I'll also add a little readme file in here. So this is a readme.md that's markdown. I'm just going to say this file was added after the course was recorded. This is for a recorded course to show you how to show you HTTP not found. Let's just make sure I put that right. HTTP not found takes that ResponseWriter and request. I'll put that all in there. Cool. So now I want to add that into this file. And so if I don't want people going to other routes, other than that, so let me show you what I mean with that. Control C, change directories, and change into 025, 02, and then go run main. So localhost 8080, right? Like that serves up the default, but it also serves up dog and any other route that gets put in there. Localhost. Any other route, it gets served up. So those all get served up. If I didn't want that to catch all routes right there, I could do a little if request.url.path is not equal to default. Then we could do HTTP not found. And you can see that there's not found handler and not found, and I need to pass in the ResponseWriter and the request. And so that's where I'm using the request like that. Later in this course, I switched to just R. And then I have to return right here. If I didn't return right here, this code, if this wasn't here, this code would run, and then this would all run. Right? So I have to return to say, this function is done. And I know that might sound totally basic to some people, but something that a lot of people, who are figuring this out or learning or whatever, remember or know. So just good to answer it. So now with that in there, not found, we could go run this again. And remember, this is how it ran before, but now I'm going to run it once more. And so when I go to this route, right, just go there again. I don't print it out over here. It just says 404 page not found. Same with dog, 404 page not found. But if I go to the default route, it does. Go look at your terminal, right? It does run. So that's really nice and really elegant. And the main things we're learning here are the not found handler, which works with handle, and then also just not found, which is a function that you could run right in your code. And not found replies to the request with an HTTP 404 not found error and takes the response writer and the pointer to the request. Cool?